Welcome to our review channel for indispensable kitchen utensils. Today, we're going to talk about this incredible 11-piece CAROTE pots and pan set. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the news. Leave your like to help us grow, and watch until the end to check out all the details of this in-depth review. To make things easier, we've left the secure link to the website that sells this cookware set in the description. The CAROTE 11pcs Pots and Pan set is a versatile and efficient cookware set designed to simplify your cooking and storage needs. This set includes 10-foot and 8 fry pans, 3 QT and 2 QT saucepans, a 4 QT10 sauté pan, 2 removable handles, 10 and 8 silicone lids, and 8 and 7 storage lids. The detachable handles are a standout feature, allowing for optimal storage and easy stacking, saving up to 70% more space in your cupboards. One of the major advantages of this cookware set is its non-stick granite surface, which ensures fuss-free cleaning. Whether you use the pots and pans for cooking or as dinnerware, you only need to clean them once, with minimal effort. The enhanced non-stick exterior makes cleanup a breeze, requiring just a quick wipe. The CAROTE set offers multitasking capabilities, thanks to the removable handles that provide ultimate versatility. You can easily transfer the cookware from all types of stoves to the oven, grill, fridge, and even directly to the dining table with a simple click. This flexibility makes it perfect for various cooking scenarios, including RV use, camping, and small kitchen spaces. In terms of quality, CAROTE does not compromise. The cookware set delivers rapid and even heat transfer, ensuring efficient cooking. The non-stick performance is on par with other high-quality CAROTE cookware sets. Each piece undergoes a strict multi-inspection process to guarantee durability and performance. In case of any defects or missing items, CAROTE offers worry-free service, providing a full refund or replacement. The set is designed for space-saving convenience, making it ideal for those with limited storage space, such as in RVs, travel trailers, and motorhomes. The compact size and efficient stacking capabilities keep your kitchen organized and clutter-free. The set also comes with useful tips, such as detaching the handle when cooking with open flames to extend the handle's lifespan. Positive points: space-saving design. The detachable handles and stackable nature save up to 70% more space. Non-stick surface ensures easy cleaning with minimal effort. Versatility can be used on various stoves, in the oven, on the grill, and stored in the fridge. Quality construction offers rapid and even heat transfer with durable non-stick performance. Worry-free service. CAROTE provides excellent customer service with options for refunds or replacements if needed. Negative points: handle usage. The handles should be detached when cooking over open flames, which might be inconvenient for some users. Knob packaging. The knob of the 10-foot lid is packed in the 8 silicone lid package, which can cause confusion. The CAROTE 11pcs Pots and Pan set is an excellent choice for those looking to maximize their kitchen space without compromising on cooking quality. Its versatile and space-saving design, combined with the non-stick surface and efficient heat distribution, makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're cooking in an apartment, RV, or small kitchen, this set provides the functionality and convenience needed for a variety of cooking tasks. If you value space efficiency and easy cleaning, this cookware set is a must-buy. Let us know in the comments what you think of this CAROTE 11-piece pots and pan set, and if you have any questions, let me know so I can answer them. If you've watched this far, don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss any new videos.